In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an appointment in Calendly quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're managing a busy schedule or adjusting to new plans, knowing how to handle cancellations efficiently is essential. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you can manage your calendar with ease. First, we need to navigate to the Calendly website. Open your preferred web browser and type Calendly into your search bar. Once the search results load, click on the link that leads directly to Calendly's official website. If you're not already logged in, this is a good time to do so using your account credentials. Once you're logged into Calendly, you'll see your dashboard. From here, locate and click on the Meetings tab. This section is where all your scheduled events and appointments are displayed. It's essentially your central hub for managing current and upcoming meetings. Now, with your meetings list open, scroll through your upcoming scheduled appointments to find the one you wish to cancel. Once you've located it, click on the appointment title, which will bring up more detailed information about that specific meeting. With the appointment details now in view, look for a button or link labeled Details. Clicking this will take you to the Event Overview page. This page provides you with an in-depth look at the meeting, including participants, time, and any additional notes you might have added beforehand. Next, locate the Cancel button. This action initiates the cancellation process. Once clicked, a confirmation dialog will appear, providing you with additional options. In this dialog, you'll see a text box where you can type a message to send to the participants. This is optional, but it's a good practice to notify attendees with a brief reason for the cancellation or a note of apology, ensuring clear communication. After sending your message, or if you choose not to, proceed to the final step by clicking Yes, Cancel. By confirming, your appointment will be removed from your schedule, and notifications will be sent out to attendees to inform them about the cancellation. There you have it, a streamlined way to cancel appointments using Calendly. Remember, it's always courteous to provide a reason if possible, as this helps maintain professional relationships and keeps communication clear. Whether it's for rescheduling or simply releasing some time on your calendar, knowing how to cancel appointments correctly is vital for effective time management. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more